Hi, my name is Ben Peterson. I own Peterson Luxury Home Property Management. I take care of 60 houses in the community of Estancia up in North Scottsdale. Basically, while my clients are gone, I take care of everything. I make sure the houses are in perfect condition. And when any plumbing needs arise, I always use J Monday Plumbing. He's my go-to guy. Customer service is top-notch. Anytime that there's an emergency, I call him, answers right away. And they're, in my opinion, master plumbers. Where if I call them out and if I need something done, I know that it's going to get done right, and I don't have to question, come back and double check on it, and then a week later it's leaking. When Jay's guys do the job, I know it's done perfectly. So for this house right here, the clients just bought it and they wanted a water filtration system. They wanted to be able to have really nice clean water without dealing with a water softener where they're dumping salt in there all the time. And so we recommended this green NAC system. Filters the whole house water, and so everything throughout the house, showers, sinks, dishwashers, everything's the best water that you can get in North Scottsdale and probably Arizona as far as I know. And so they installed this. It was a really tricky section to fit this in, and they did a great job. They added water lines going back behind this unit. And so this right here, this is the water softener. So instead of having this big tank where we're dumping salt in all the time, this softens the water throughout the whole house, makes it really nice.